There's my hairstylist. Just so you can see. Hair's halfway cut. I had to get it wet and we didn't bring any water, so the ocean. Okay. Fuck. I think that works. Going to the ocean to get my hair wet. And it was like, go to the sea. And all I can think is a song by Seafret. If you know, you know.
I learned my lesson. I'm leaving these here now.
Explain your method. What are you doing?
Going like levels. I don't know how to explain it really.
You just know what you're doing.
I just know what I'm doing and that's it.
Perfect. Okay, one more time. It takes so long to walk out. We're wet now.
This is more way. I don't know.
Is this side shorter?
Wow, this is very.
I thought he was done. He's like, okay, go wash your hair one more time. Fourth time. God damn it. Okay, that works. If I have to go in again, I'm gonna sue. Okay, this is the second time I cut my hair. How do you think you did?
I'm proud of it, yeah. You look amazing.
Remember to subscribe, you will cut my hair again.
You want to Jonni's here again. Please subscribe. And yeah.
Perfect. Thank you
Perfect.
so much.